We are pleased to show you the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, air conditioning, alloy wheels, hands-free link system, cruise control, MP3 player, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.